Hi everyone! Welcome back to the Daily Tagalog, where you learn simple Tagalog you can use in real conversations. In today's video, I'll teach you how to introduce yourself in Tagalog step by step, slowly and clearly, so it's easy to follow and practice. Let's get started. First, let's learn how to say my name is. In Tagalog, you say, ako si, followed by your name. Ako means I. Si is used before a name. So for example, ako si Hana. It means, my name is Hana. Let's practice together. Repeat after me. Ako si. Again. Ako si. Now try it with your name. Ako si. Now let's learn how to say, I am from. In Tagalog, taga, followed by the place where you live, then ako. Taga means from. Ako means I. So for example, taga Maynila ako. It means I am from Manila. Repeat after me. Taga ako. Again. Taga ako. Now say your own place. Taga ako. Taga ako. You can also add a simple greeting like Kumusta, which means hello or how are you? So now you can say Kumusta? Ako si taga ako. Now let's practice together. Repeat after me. Kumusta? Ako si taga ako. Let's say everything together slowly. Kumusta? Ako si taga ako. Now one more time, a little smoother. Kumusta? Ako si taga ako. Great job! If you're having a hard time remembering or pronouncing the words, that's okay. Just keep practicing slowly, one phrase at a time. You're doing great! And that's how you introduce yourself in Tagalog. Keep practicing this and soon it will feel natural. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and continue learning with the Daily Tagalog. Bye-bye!